Right, hi everyone, welcome back yet again. The day has come to put this back in there. So, yeah, I don't know how exciting this is going to be. What I like to do, I've got my trolley jack under there. I just put a little block of wood there. Hopefully it's got enough height. If not, I might have to take that out and put a thinner bit of wood in there. But yeah, it just so don't all flop about while you're trying to line the clutch up. I know people like to put the engine and boxes in one hit, but I didn't want to take the gearbox out, as you know. So yeah, I'll set this up on a tripod and then we'll see how long this takes. Hopefully it'll be quite simple. Yes. Oh yeah, obviously I've put all the mounts back on. They've all been cleaned up, painted up, along with a couple of other bits. So yeah, fingers crossed this goes without any stress. But we will see. Right, here we go then. Obviously I've got my leveler on here as well. It's so handy having that thing. My biggest stress is trying to do all this without scratching it, to be honest. Try and get it in without scratching the engine, without scratching the engine. I'm not sure how that's going to happen, but I've got this on quite stretched out as well because the engine bay is pretty, a long way. It's a long way in. Getting there. Almost there. Right, little trolley out of the way. Right. So yeah, so I need to move the camera a little bit, don't I? I'll be back. Right, here we go then. I ain't gonna lie, it'd be much easier with two people, but alright, that's it for a minute. Right, after much messing about, I've got that to line up, and that's in there on the splines now, so jack out of there. This it. Hopefully this don't separate when I lower it down again. It shouldn't do. Alright. So you've got to get the front bolts get these lined up, get the bell housing bolts in, engine mount bolts in, and then that's it, sat in there then. Well, maybe it is easier with the box out. Right, so we've got all of the bolts in around the bell housing now. We've got all the bolts in the front mounts loosely. I've tightened up the ones at the bottom down there. I've just got these ones to do up now. So yeah, it's all good. At least it's sat in there now. Oh yeah, and I've put the clutch slave on there. I might have to take it off to bleed it later, but we'll see how we go with that. I'm not bleeding it yet anyway. I'll do that when I get as far as doing the brakes. So yeah, I'm going to do these up, do them up, and then I've got to do something else. So that's going to be about it for this video, I'm afraid. So yeah, not the most exciting, but thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time with another update. Actually, one last thing before I go. Can anyone tell me if there's a reason? Because obviously I broke the pipe. There you go. The pipe that goes to the gauge. Can anyone see any reason why I couldn't fit the nylon line from a Mini? Because I tried it on there, down here, and it's the correct thread, and I think the other end is the same. It seems a bit daft to me that, because this goes up here and then joins, so then you got one place here that can leak, another place there that can leak, and it can leak the other side and then at the gauge as well. So I'm just wondering what people's thoughts are on that. I know it won't be original, but then it's not exactly a rare car, is it? So yeah, give us a comment down below and let me know what you think. Right, well, that's it, and thanks for watching again. I'll catch you next time.